Everybody, my name is Tahrim. Today we are doing second part of car race. So now we will go to the car of the red. He's going to lose the game. So go to events. And we are doing the same code, almost like same code. Then where he is in there. Okay. Now we will go to motion. Go to my minus 151 minus 158. Which one we already put it? You remember, I think. So now we are going to go to sound and go to sports. Then refill. Then we need car. Then how he will ride without the car? Room, I mean, like. Okay, then we will go to the sound. Put the whistle, okay. Then go to control. Wait for 1.5. Now go to the sound. Car room. After car room, he will go direct there. Touches. No. Really? You are kidding. No. Where he is, I'll turn back. Give me a minute. Now, okay. Again, we will try. And go forward to end. Anyway. Then, no, again. This time, it's like going. Okay, it's now good. Not really good. Go back. Again, I will try. It's too much I done. Then a little bit here. Okay, not a little bit there. Okay, it worked. Let's go a little up. Still going up. A little up. Okay. This is where he is going to go. I will test it again. Then, now good. Refill is there, true. Then now we will go to the looks. I think this one, it's not a boardwalk, it's colorful city. It's racing with a green one. I didn't tell you that, but I hope you understand. Car. Then go to sound. Start the sound car room. Where that one you see? It's still in there. So now we will go to motion and go to the center place again and then again go. Okay, now making him again go is there. It is supposed to. Anyway, okay. Testing. Okay, now No, 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 no. Before starting, I have faster start. Stop. Then go to looks. Then do the boardwalk. After boardwalk, where he is, again we will take it. Make him go and stop on the short place. I shouldn't turn little back. Okay, little bit forward. Again back. Okay, and then go down. 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 Okay, here he will stop and then he'll lose. Like this. Now let's test it. Thank you for watching our car race. See you next time. Bye.